Hey everyone, welcome back to Herbalist channel. I produce content every week and today we're gonna see the update on how Indigo Apple Tomato is growing. I'm not using any fertilizers now since the soil is still rich on everything the tomato needs and nobody wants to over fertilize it. I'm just using Mykorrhiza, which connects to plant roots and extends the root system, bringing water and nutrients. Look how significant growth happened between day 4 and day 18. In just 2 weeks, plant grew to 5 centimeters or 2 inches tall and happily living under a growing cob light from Cree. Day and light cycle is set to 14.5 hours of light and 9.5 hours of dark. While the sun shines, the plant performs photosynthesis. In this process, the plants convert sunlight, water and carbon dioxide into stored energy in the form of long chains of sugar called starch. At night, the plants burn its stored starch to fuel continued growth. That's why the darkness phase is very important. Unfortunately, the control seed didn't sprout. It's probably dead from the beginning, but don't cry, this is life. So we have nothing to compare with our sprouted seed, but we can still do it with the next growing experiment. Oh, look how happily the plant is growing, and I can't wait to show you what's coming next. In the next episode, we will see how to attach tomato to growing net and future plans on this experimental growing. Thank you for watching, hit the subscribe button, thumbs up and see you at another episode.